Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free PMI Generative AI course for the project managers. So there is a two courses are there, and we have to pay the USD $0 for this course. And PMI is the famous institute for the IT industry. So we have a practical application of generative AI for the project manager. There's a free for the PMI course, and price is the USD $0. So discover how generative AI can be practically applied in the real project environment with their this free e-learning course from PMI. This course is designed for the project managers who wants to move beyond theory and start using the generative AI tools in their day-to-day project work. So learn how AI support planning, stakeholder communication, risk management, reporting, and decision making through hands-on example and real-world use cases. So there will be the learn effective AI promoting and apply AI across project lifecycle stage, improve productivity and project outcomes, earn PMI PDUs, and 100% free and 0 USD. So that is a perfect for the project manager looking for the future proof their skill and with the generative AI. So this is the registration link. We'll open this registration link. Now one more is there. So generative AI overview for the project manager. That is the free. This one also free. USD $0. So new to the generative AI, start here. This free PMI micro learning course provides the clear and practical introduction to a generative AI for the project managers. You will learn how to generative AI is and how it works and how it can be enhanced the project management tasks such as the planning, documentation, risk login and reporting. So this course include real world example, hands-on exploration and exposure to popular AI tools, making it easy to understand and apply immediately. So this is a beginner-friendly overview of generative AI, practical project management use cases, and hands-on AI tools exploration. Example PMI PDUs and completely free USD $0. So ideal for the project professional who wants to fast, clear and introduction to AI in project management. So this is the registration link for second one. So let me open both the link. So this is generative AI overview for the project managers, and there's a dollar price is 0 and course duration 1 hour, and this is the second one. This is a $0. This is a 5 hours course. So we have to register for this. So click on get access. So there is a login, and you can register through the login through the other one also. So I'm going through the Google. There is a LinkedIn, Apple is there. So I'm using my account. So meanwhile, so here what will you will learn, all the details are there, and total PDUs is 5. So business way to working and power skills. So project management institutes, this is a famous for the IT industry. So let me allow this access. Let me create the account first. So meanwhile, so this time you trying to Google account. Do you want to have no? So I have to create this. India and privacy policy and email updates. So complete registration. I'll get an email. So I got it 793058. 793058. So continue. So simple registration project is there. My PMI you can able to see. So let me refresh this one also. SSO will work. Yeah, I got it. My account. So my name is there. And so done. You have unlocked the access on generative AI overview of the project manager. Launch the course. And this one also. Get access. Click on get access. All the details are there. Okay. So practical application of generative AI for the project managers and this generative AI overview for the project managers. So just continue with this. Here introduction to the generative AI, and here also when you will click start here to course overview, and you can go step by step to complete this one. Okay. So here two courses are free for the generative AI courses for the project managers on the USD 0.0. So we'll go through the step by step process. There is 100% free of this. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel and Facebook is there. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. So subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.